Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have XMusic headphones and I'm going to tell you where can you easily find its user manual. So at first we have to enter web browser and now we have to search for XMusic TWS750K user manual. And as you can see here we have a lot of pages, for example on usersmanual.au. I don't recommend this website, but as you can see we have a lot of web pages, for example from here, and we can tap open. As you can see it is in Polish, but you can easily translate it. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.